Hey everyone, this is Kyle from InstaWP, and today we'll be walking through the process of exporting your WordPress site using InstaWP. Alright, no time to waste, let's get started. First things first, make sure that you're signed into your InstaWP account. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now, let's access the site export options. Click on the More Actions button, and then from the drop-down list that appears, select the Export As option for the specific site you want to export data from. After selecting Export As, you'll see a drop-down list of export options. Choose Local WP from this list. This will initiate the process of exporting your site as a zip file. So from there, a new dialog will pop up asking you to confirm your action to export the site as local WP in a zip format file. Once you're ready, click on the Export button. You'll be redirected to your dashboard, and there you'll see a success message on your screen. This means your export process has started. In a few minutes, you'll receive an email with a link to download the zip file containing your website. Once that email notification drops in, don't hesitate, hit that download file button. This will save your website as a zip file to your local computer. And now with the zip file in hand, you're ready for the final step. Fire up your local WP interface and simply drag and drop the file in. Your site will be completely set for your local development. And here, just to show you, here's our website opened on WordPress via InstaWP. And here's that same exported website on local WP. That's how you export your WordPress site using InstaWP. It's a pretty straightforward process that allows you to migrate your site to another platform or to edit it locally. Alright, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. If you have any further questions about the video, leave us a comment below. Once again, this is Kyle from InstaWP, and thank you for watching.